everyone, welcome to IS Dashana. I hope you all are doing very well. So, without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. Today's topic is Indian Coast Guard bursts international oil smuggling racket through coordinated sea air operation. The Indian Coast Guard successfully busted an international oil smuggling racket through a meticulously planned sea-air coordinated operation on 5th and 6th February 2026. The operation dismantled an intricate network involved in the illicit transfer of large volumes of oil and oil-based cargo originating from conflict-ridden regions. On 5th February 2026, three suspect vessels were intercepted by Indian Coast Guard ships approximately 100 nautical miles west of Mumbai. Sustained remagging of the vessels, corroboration of electronic data recovered on board, verification of documents and detailed interrogation of crew members enabled the ICG specialist boarding teams to establish the complete chain of events and confirm the criminal modus operandi. The smuggling syndicate employed a modus operandi wherein cheap oil was transported by seagoing vessels and transferred mid-sea to motor tankers in international waters. Initial investigations revealed that the syndicate comprised handlers operating across multiple countries, coordinating the sale and transfer of cargo between vessels at sea. The operation was initiated following detection by ICG's technology-enabled surveillance system, which identified a motor tanker engaged in suspicious activity within the Indian Exclusive Economic Zone. A subsequent digital investigation of data pattern analysis of vessel movements led to the identification of two additional vessels converging on the tanker suspected to be involved in illicit ship-to-ship transfer of oil-based cargo, thereby evading substantial duties owed to coastal states including India. On confirmation of digital evidence through physical boarding on 5th February 2026, all three vessels were apprehended. Preliminary findings indicate that the vessels frequently change their ideas to evade detection by maritime law enforcement agencies. Initial investigations also suggest that the vessel owners are based in foreign countries. The apprehended vessels are likely to be escorted to Mumbai for further investigation and subsequent handing over the Indian Customs and other law enforcement agencies for appropriate legal action. This operation, initiated through advanced digital surveillance and enforced by the expanding maritime presence of the Indian Coast Guard, once again underscores India's role as a net security provider in the maritime domain and a steadfast enforcer of the international rules-based order at sea. So the next topic for the day is ICMR advances development of improved Kyasanur forest disease vaccine. The Indian Council of Medical Research under the Department of Health Research, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India is steadily processing towards the development of an improved vaccine against Kyasanur forest disease. Kyasanur forest disease is an important regional infection disease in the Western Ghats region in states like Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Goa and Maharashtra. On request of the government of the state of Karnataka, Indian Council of Medical Research embarked on the development of KFD vaccine. Indian Immunologicals Limited and ICMR National Institute of Virology are working collaboratively to develop a fully indigenous two-dose adjuvanted inactivated vaccine which will be given 28 days apart. The vaccine has been successfully developed and animal challenge and toxicity studies have been completed. GLP grade vaccine material has been manufactured and a phase 1 human clinical trial has been initiated following approval from the Central Drugs Standard Control Organizations. If the phase 1 trial is successful, further clinical trials will be initiated, and if the vaccine is found to be safe and immunogenic, approval of CDSCO will be sought. The Government of India is committed to provide continued support to the state governments in solving difficult health problems. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.